Hey guys, we're going to add in a digital pattern into your technique this time. And it's the broken thirds, which is a bit of a classic, and it sounds so great, and it can be slipped into your actual runs that you're using. So we'll have a look at it. It's basically jumping to a third and then moving up a note in the scale. So we're going to use our E minor here, and starting on that, E minor in the A position. All right, first finger up on the 7th fret. That's our scale. All right, so we're going to that's our broken thirds, okay? So the idea is we're going to jump from our first note out to the third. All right. Then we move along our scale. So second note to the 4th. So that's first, third, second, 4th. Okay. Then we're going to go our 3rd, 5th. And if you actually look at that, there's your thirds. It's a minor third, major third, and you can hear it. So minor third, major. All right, and that's why it's broken thirds. All right. Practice that one. Okay, and we're going to do much the same on the next string. Now, putting it together. Alright, now take your time with this one, slow it right down until you've got them nice and even. It works best evenly. Okay, so alright, when I say we can slip that in a run, we can have things like using it subtly in between notes, okay, rather than just as a full run. That said, you can use it as a full run if you want. Now, if we want to go up into our next octave, we get, it changes a little bit. So we're here. Our notes are there, so we're going to be here, so 7, now we're going 9, back to 8 there. Then you're back to the 7. Alright, so 9, 8, 7, 10. That's your frets. Okay, so we're going 8, 7 there. So okay, 10, 8. Okay. Alright, that's my 7, 10. Okay, and that is 8, 12. So All right, we'll put that together. So we've got our now in between these octaves, you've still got to do this seventh. So that's actually a flat finger there. Okay. Then we're on to our right, it is one that you'll practice through, and then okay, you get a really nice run. Now, this pattern can be applied to any one of the modes, okay, and different scales as well. So if we look at the harmonic minor, it'll change it up, but similar start. Really pretty cool. Really nice little run there, okay? All right, so get it down in the minor, then have a look at the harmonic minor. Try it with a major. Play around with it. It's a really cool little technique, but then try and slip snippets into your runs. This is one that takes the practice, and it does sound amazing when you pull it off. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.